Michael, I'm going to tell you about strawberry popcorn. My dad helped me plant some seeds in the field. First, we make the ground soft with a cultivator. We dig a road to plant the seeds, and then we put the tiny seeds in the ground. That tiny seed will be a big corn stalk someday. All kids can plant seeds. Even my little sister likes it to help. Me and my dad cover the seeds with dirt. The sun and rain help the corn grow. The corn stalk grows taller than my head. The roots get nutrients from the dirt. When corn grows tall, then it will grow a tassel. The tassel pollinates the silks. This is the ear of corn. The little hairs are silks. When the silks are pollinated, then a kernel will grow. When you pull back the shucks, then you'll see baby kernels. When it's done growing, then it will look like a strawberry. It will be much smaller than the sweet corn that we eat. The corn is dry in the field and it will be ready to pick. To pick, you pull the ear off the stalk. Next, we shuck the corn and let it dry for a few weeks. Corn is dry, we shovel the kernels off the cob. All done. The cob is empty, we can throw it away. We put the kernels in the special popper and put it in the microwave. Yum, this is good. And that's how you make popcorn. Thanks for watching my video.